Hi, this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. Welcome back with another video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to submit your website to Bing Webmaster Tool. Bing Webmaster Tool is a webmaster tool provided by Microsoft Bing, and every search engine has a webmaster tools. For example, Google has Google Search Console. Like that, Bing has Bing Webmaster Tool. As Bing is also a biggest search engine, so we have to submit our website to rank in the Bing search engine also to gain more potential traffic. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can connect your website with Bing Webmaster Tool using Google Search Console. That means if your website is already configured with Google Search Console, then you can easily submit your website to Bing Webmaster Tools. I'll show you how to do that. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It really helps me a lot to create more video for you. So you can see that I have just submitted this website to Google search engine, and after submitting I have submitted these sitemaps also, but it is showing that could not page. Actually I have submitted this sitemap just now, so it is showing the status actually, but it may take 24 hours to fetch URL from this sitemap. It is usual for Google Search Console. If you do not know how to connect your domain property with Google Search Console, then you may write a comment. I will create a video on that topic also. Now, as I have already connected my website with Google Search Console, then I can easily connect it and submit it to Bing search engine through Bing Webmaster Tools, and the URL is bing.com/webmaster, and select Get Started. Here I am selecting Google as I will sync data from Google Search Console. So I am selecting Google for sign in to new account, and I do not want to create a new account or new Microsoft account for submitting a website to Bing Webmaster Tools. Look here, there is an option already verified on Google Search Console. Import your site from CSG. So if your website is already verified with Google Search Console, then you can easily import it to Webmaster Tools, and it will require no verification, and import the sitemap instantly and save a lot of times actually, and this is very easy. As you can see that my property is verified here in Google Search Console, so I will select import, and it will start importing the sitemap and necessary information from Google Search Console. Select allow, and now it will show which domain you want to submit in Bing. Here I want to submit this domain to Bing Webmaster Tool. Here this sitemap count is 0, but don't worry about this. It will find this sitemap later once Google can fetch it, finish it fetching. So click import, and it may take some time to complete the process. The main benefit is there is no required to manual verification for Bing Webmaster tool also. So you have to verify just a single time when you add your website to Google Search Console. You can see that The site has been imported to Bing Webmaster Tools successfully. Now click done and look here, no verification is required. My domain is showing to Bing Webmaster Tools. So this is for today. If you face any issue, you can write a comment and inform me. I will definitely try to create new video according to your comment. Thank you.